Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install Amazon Prime on your Samsung Smart TV. So first things first, press the home button on your remote control, and if Amazon Prime isn't along the apps here in the middle, let's go to the left here and select apps. Now on the home screen it's normally in the recommendation section, so we can select it like that, and then we can select sign in. It's very easy to connect your Amazon Prime to your Samsung Smart TV. Once it's loaded here, press sign in. What we need to do is you either scan the QR code here or go to this website, amazon.com or .co.uk/mytv. So I'll do that on my PC now, and then you want to enter your password. It'll ask you to log into your Amazon account. I'll do that. I'm logged in, and it's took me to a web page where I need to enter this code here, what we see on screen. Obviously I'm blocking it up in case it compromises my account, so I've typed that in and I'll select register device. It says success, and there you go, we're now logged in. You press that and accept these terms. We'll accept them. Okay, and there we go, we are in our Amazon Prime account. So hopefully that helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.